how to refer someone to Rips by Triumph. Here's how it works. You want to load up the app, and once you have the app open, we want to focus on the bottom options. Click on rewards here at the bottom, and it's going to give you your code, which is going to be your unique code, which people can use to type in once they sign up. And you can also click on invite here. Once you click on invite, it's going to open up an option to share a message directly, and you will also be given the option to copy it. So I've just copied my message, and it looks a little something like this. Use my referral link to win on Triumph Rips. There's going to be the code. So this is going to be your unique code. And what people have to do is to click on that link, use it to sign up and download the Rips by Triumph app. And if they put your unique code, which is going to be this one here, then you will get a reward and they will also get a reward. So I hope this video answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.